Hello everyone, if you want to add page numbers to your PDF, you can easily do it using the Adobe Acrobat. First, make sure to open the Adobe Acrobat application from your computer. Once you land on the application, you have two ways. You can either create a new file or just open your prior projects through the recent section. Once you land on the PDF, you will see different options within the All Rules section at your left screen. Now move your cursors towards Edit a PDF, then tap on it. Keep in mind that adding page numbers require Adobe Acrobat Pro, so this feature is not available in the free reader version. As you can see, I have not subscribed yet, so it shows the subscription page. But if you have already subscribed, and when you tap on Edit a PDF option, it will open the editing tool. Then look for the header and footer option. While click on it, then select Add. Now a new window will appear. Click inside one of the header or footer box. Then click on the Insert Page Number, where you will see the page number placeholder appear in that section. You can also adjust the font style and size as well as the position or the page range. Once everything looks good, click OK. Then your page number will now appear on the PDF. But please do not forget to save your document. And that's it. That's how you can add page numbers in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.